Shall we start again? Sorry. Morning, everyone. This is with reference to a press conference held by Captain Venzi Viegas and Advocate Amit Palankar, which is being circulated all over, vis-a-vis the trip of Sri Fadnavis to Goa. In that interview, he has alleged that I, besides others from the Congress party, went to meet Sri Fadnavis. We were lucky that we were not caught as we went to meet him, nor whilst leaving the place. And therefore, I think this is an act to create confusion, which I believe AAP is famous for. I categorically state that never in my life have I met Mr. Fadnavis. Never have I gone to meet him, nor has he ever attempted to want to meet me. I know him as an ex-Chief Minister by name. I know him as a BJP leader by name, but we have never ever had any contact between the two of us. AAP, as I've said, likes to create confusion. AAP was harping about Congress being the B team in that press conference. They have alleged that Congress is the B team of BJP. The fact is that I have been making this allegation for months. Senior leaders of AAP have approached me at various times to join the AAP party. But I have asked them, convince me that AAP is not the BJP team of BJP. I repeat that AAP is not the B team of BJP. They have not been able to convince me. Whenever I have raised this issue, they have gone away, but never been able to come out with any reply to this. We've had recently, I was present when Mr. Rodney Almeida, an ex-senior leader of AAP, Goa, addressed the press or spoke to you all and said about funds coming to the party from BJP. So I think that is enough to say that AAP is the B team of BJP and Congress is not the B team. On the contrary, Congress is the only opposition to BJP in this state.
As the working president of Congress, Bab Ale Shikera, खंय प्रेस घेतल्या आनी त्या प्रेसान तुमी पळयलां आसतलें की हांव ती प्रेस केअरफुली अटेंटिवली पळयतालें आनी तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार कळटलें की दॅट ही वॉज लुकींग कन्फ्यूज्ड, ही वॉज लुकींग लॉस्ट, ही वॉज सावंडींग जिटरी आनी ही वॉज नॉट हिमसेल्फ वेन ही वॉज टॉकिंग. तो ममर करतालो, मदेंच हेजिटेट करतालो आनी ताजेर पडून येता की खंय तरी ताकाच खबर नाशिल्लो कितें मुद्दो उलोवपाचो आनी ही वॉज जिटरी अबावट ही स्पीच. वेल, आयज सांगपाक सोदता आले शिकेरा खंय तरी म्हणटा तेन्ना की तुमी पळयलां आसतलें तो म्हणटा तेन्ना मदेंच कन्फ्यूज जाता आनी म्हणटा दॅट देर इज नो ओपोजिशन, आप इज द ओनली ओपोजिशन टू काँग्रेस म्हणटा, मागीर म्हणटा लेट मी रिपीट म्हणटा टू द BJP म्हणटा. तो कितें उलयता ताका खबर ना. बट लेट मी टेल बाबाले शिकेरा that today the whole entire Goa knows that Congress is the B team of BJP म्हणून. And when I am saying, I am repeating it and would like to tell Ale Shikera that the entire Goa, गली गली का बच्चा भुरग्यां देखून कोणी सांगतलो, लेमॅन सांगतलो की आयज जो B टीम आसा, BJPची B टीम आसा जाल्यार ती म्हणटा ती काँग्रेस जाल्ली आसा म्हणटा. Where was Ale Shikera 5 years when he had to speak against the wrongdoings of BJP? जेन्ना तूं ऑपोजिशनार आसा, आयज तूं वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट जाल्लो आसा, इलेक्शन 3 म्हयने आसा म्हणल्यार बाबा तूं खंय आशिल्लो जेन्ना रॉंग डुईंग्स जाताले, रॉंग पॉलिसीज BJPन केले, तांकां पिन पॉयंट करपाक आले शिकेरान म्हाका सांगचें. Till date, Ale Shikera has never taken a single PC or never protested against the BJP. So we want to know why Ale Shikera has not done that. The prime principal opposition म्हणटा ते गोंयांत आयज आम आदमी पार्टी जावन आसा. आमचे आमदार नासतना देखून आमी रस्त्यार देंवतात आनी प्रोटेस्ट करता बीजेपीच्या रॉंग टिम्साचेर. आमी रस्त्यार दिता देंवतात आनी बोवाळ करता बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंटाचेर तांचे रॉंग पॉलिसीचेर. आयज सिलिंडर म्हारग जाला, लायटीचे बिलां म्हारग येतात, पेट्रोल म्हारग जाला, लोकांक जॉब ना, थंय तुमी ओगी आसा. पूण इट इज द आम आदमी पार्टी which is coming on the streets and hitting. It is your party Congress who is the B team of BJP. When I say this, I say it with all the proofs. 17 आमदार तुमचे निवडून आयले, काँग्रेसाचे 17 आमदार निवडून आयले, तितले 13 जाणांक 13 आमदारांनी काँग्रेसाच्या जे लोकांनी मॅन्डेट दिल्ले बीजेपी नाका काँग्रेस जाय म्हणून तांकां आयज होलसेल रेटाचेर बीजेपीन घेतिल्ले आसा. बीजेपीच्या घरांत सगळे काँग्रेसाचे आमदार बशिल्ले आसा. राजन डिमेलो हू वॉज द चीफ स्पोकपर्सन ऑफ काँग्रेस पार्टी just not even 3 months back. That's where he's talking to one person and telling what is the actual picture of Congress. We don't have to talk about the Congress. He himself has said that these people, Congress today is quite not talking against the BJP because Trajan त्यांच्याच स्पोकपर्सनान सांगले की they are not talking because something in a lighter way सांगता बरे उतरांनी सांगता. तो म्हणटा हेंचे जे स्केलिटन आसात हेणी पातकां केल्ली आसात पळय टेन्युरा टायमार घोटाळा केल्लो आसा, करप्शन केल्लो आसा काँग्रेस लिडर्सान, तांची सगळे स्केलिटन्स आर इन देअर कबर्ड म्हणून, अदरवायज दे गेट एक्सपोज म्हणून.